The Mind Body Business Show. What is that all about? A mentor of mine many years ago told me one thing that was key to success. He looked at me and said, Brian, if people just did this one thing, if they just did this one thing, they would all become super rich. That was the word he used, was rich. I thought, yeah, you know what, that seems too simple. That can't be right. That's going to help me become rich? I don't believe it. How do successful entrepreneurs market their business, or in your case, movement? How do you define success? If someone like Joel in that state of health can do this, can you imagine what Joel's gonna do now